So we just hit TP on my trade. Morning chats. What's good, YouTube? We just hit TP on this gold trade. Like I said to you in the weekly breakdown I did, right, on YouTube. So if you are not on my YouTube page, go on my YouTube page and see. So you find out that we had this low and then we had this high on the 4 hours time frame. Right? We did the breakdown. So the breakdown was this. If we break through this top, we are trying to look for buy. Break below, we'll start looking for sales because gold has been ranging for weeks. It was like March 3rd till what now? March 13th. So 10 days range. So we patiently waited. During market open on Monday, price actually broke the low. So we knew that this week, going into next week, unless we disrupt order flow, we're continuing to sell. So gold is on the sell throughout this week, maybe throughout the month, it all depends. So we saw a low, then a high, a low, and then a high, then finally breaking it. So as soon as we broke it, that's when we started marking out our internals. So while we marked out our internals, we saw multiple SAQs, 1, 2, 3. So yeah, so yeah, that's that for that. Then we saw that this leg became our IDM leg, and then this leg became our DOF leg, right? So we started following price. So what did price do? Price, after breaking this low, this was a low, came here and we started ranging. You're saying this range from here to here. You don't change with the market, right? So what we were waiting for was either for price to sweep through this place, then we will claim this other block here. But price did not. Price came here and started ranging. So what did price do? After leaving this lower high, we broke it, right? We broke it and we came here. So after we broke it, we saw that this leg now becomes new. Now there are criteria to know new IDM, and DOF legs respectfully. So I was gonna be opening China, but I'm not into mentorship. I don't like these mentorship programs. Not now, at least. So from these videos, I think you can be able to learn how I trade. So this leg became our new IDM leg, and then we came down. As soon as we came down, I took out my fib tool, and I'm sharing with you more source than I should. From my fib tool from the top to the bottom. From the top to the bottom. Okay, no, we've not had that leg yet. So before price actually closed, price was here. Right, it was here. So when I came on my charts, price printed this leg here. So this was from this leg. That's why I marked out this fib too. But then again, it is wrong, as you can see. Shouldn't have marked it out like that. So yeah, so I waited for price to come back into here. Then when we look for some retracements, close under here, then maybe go down using that IFEG. Price did not do that. Price came here, created this low, went back up, and we broke through the low. Now, in as much as this place is looking too tight to be your IDM leg, it is. If you go down on the 30 minutes time frame, if you go down to the 30 minutes time frame, you will see that this is actually an IDM leg. So this now becomes your IDM. Sorry, this now becomes your IDM. It is not because of destruction I would have to. So these other ones no longer matter. Right? So this 1, 2 does not matter. Right? So as soon as we broke through the low, watch, tell me. As soon as we broke through the low, we broke it with a CMB. Right? A CMB. Right? So it's more or less like an FVG, but not necessarily so. So this is CMB, why I call it CMB. So we broke it, and I waited for a retracement. Funny enough, I blew one of my accounts in the night time because of this trade. Because I was in one type of drawdown, my last percent, and I took the sell here. Well, I took it on two accounts. So I blew that one, but it is well. I'm still moving on this my other accounts. So I took the sell here, because the Jordan I was in was very tight. Now this was so close to my SL. I slept off. I took it here in the midnight hours. Because of the Jordan was tight, it blew on my first account. So what do you do? Nothing. I moved on. It blew it before the ninth time. So I slept, see where price came. This was where my stop loss is. I'm telling you, you cannot fake this thing. This is where my stop loss is. This is where price came. So that took me out and then went to TP. You see, always learn how to place your stop loss according to structures and above liquidity. This is according to structure, and this was where the liquidity was. So price actually came, swept the liquidity with just if it had swept it even further, I would have been stopped out. I even made a mistake placing my stop loss here, and that's the truth. But you see, it has happened, it has happened. Now I'm learning from this video too. That's what you do, you always learn. So CMB, right? I executed here, came up, and then we fell down. We just hit TP on this trade, and while we hit TP, we created another CMB here. Alright, this is another entry, and the one I'm waiting for now. But then again, I'm skeptical because this candle does not have any wick. It just closed flat head, and until it comes like that. So if we come into this place, I will see what I will do. Right. So this should have been our new IDM leg. Alright, are you all together? Right, because we have made multiple candles here before it break. Still multiple candles before it break, so this is gonna be more or less our new IDM leg. So this will be more or less our new IDM leg. It's tight, but I don't think it's accurate yet, but that's just how it should be for now. Yeah, those I'm seeing. So yeah, the 1 hour time frame IDM and DOF. Now this is no longer relevant. This is no longer relevant. So yeah, this is the structure for gold. So this is our low. So yeah, this is the trade. This is how I made $150 profit on gold. Let me just quickly show it to you guys. How are we still running? Okay, my TP is at 4676. Are you serious? 4676.10. 4676.10. Oh, so I was getting 1 to 3.6. I thought we were done on this trade already. Yeah, I don't think I want to stay in this trade any longer. It's just there. If I were here when this thing came down here, I would have just closed. I don't play with setups, I'm telling you. And I'm not going to play with this one. I'm done. So the title of the video will change. How I made 100 and something. I just want to see how this candle closes. Let's watch how this candle closes together. Either this candle flips bearish and then flips bearish down before 10 p.m. or it goes up and close bullish. If it goes up and close bullish, I'm closing. It has to flip bearish to this very point. This point. Or completely drain itself down. If it does not do that, I'm closing. Because my target is normally 1 to 3.1. Not 1 to 3.6. Why did I do something like that? So yeah, let's just watch these two together. This is my trade. This is on my Atmos account, my Atmos funded account. I trade with Atmos now. So yeah, that's where I click the sell. Yeah, now that we're here, let me even show you one other trade I actually took on GJ. This is a very scattered trade. I took the buy here, so the day for yesterday, I took the buy here. After taking the buy here, another entry presented itself. This was the other entry, but spread entered me here. Are you seeing? This was the first entry. The other entry was here, this candle, but because of spread, it entered me here. And that spread was very mad. Are you seeing that no candlestick actually came here? There was no candlestick here, but how did I enter here? Spread. So to enter here, okay, I said, okay, let me manage these weeks. So I was trying to like manage the weeks or something. But it really came down, took my SL, and they started pushing back up. Now, mind you, this first position is still very much opened. I left it opened. So what happened here was I bought, but after buying, I don't know, I accidentally pressed the button 2 times. That's what they say, sharp. But I don't think I did. So I closed one and I left the other one to run. So I entered on that position, 2 position. This first one and then the second one. You see? So I closed the other one, and then when we went up, I closed the first one because this trade, it did not give me peace, honestly. It's my setup, but it did not give me peace. So as soon as I see that it's not giving me peace, I just closed it here. My target was still very much above. Very much above, I think, this level. Not this level also. So I just closed it. I'm not in the mood for games. As soon as I closed it, guess what happened? Boom. If I show his true colors, you see what is this now? Never intended on going up because the very moment I entered this setup, we've been ranging. The very moment I entered this setup, we've been ranging. We go up. The bearish momentum has been too strong. I do not want to play those kind of games. Let's see how this XAU closed. You see my TP right there. See my TP right there. Now what do you do in situations like this? The 4-hour candle just closed. The 4-hour candle should be able to come down and sweep this here, right here. But then that's a probability. It might not. And I might be leaving this setup. I think I'm okay with my 1% gain. If ever any reason we get close to $100, I'm out. As a matter of fact, this is what I'm doing. Not risky this trade again. No, I'm not. I know it will still go to TP and whatsoever, but in this industry, don't leave food on the table. So I'm okay, it's 102 rather than 105. 102 is not okay with me. Kai. It's not okay with me. Oh. You see, I'm being as real as possible. I'm trying to. 105 is okay with me. So yeah, let's see. 105 is okay with me. Let's see what happens. Now you think I'm about to spoil this trade? Yes, I'm about to spoil this trade. We've already hit my target, my 123.1 on the charts. I wonder what I was doing when I increased it to 126. My normal target every time is 123.11. So this 126 is a fast stretch. So let me see. 0.11 first. You get the gist. Exactly. To get my 123.1 first. Now it has a very vast on me, so it's all good. So yeah, I want to keep you in this trade. Now, when I edit this video, I will make it so you don't stress. I'll make this part to be fast. But I believe most of you like watching charts do this thing, this whole movement that it's doing. So I'm securing 106 at 2%. Securing 106. I don't know why price will do me like that. On my trading view is 1 to 3, completely 1 to 3. Maybe my lot size should have been 0.02 or something. I believe my lot size should have been 0.02. Yeah, so I'm about to get stopped out. Yeah, I got stopped out. So I'm up. Should have been 100 though, but you live, you learn. Alright, so. And I know, let me put it to you, I know the price will go and hit that target point. Now you not question me, you knew, but why did you do what you did? I'm not leaving food on the table. Please, my mental health is important than trading. Yes, my mental health. That's the reason why I closed the GBP JPY. Since the very moment I entered this trade, the price has been playing with my mental health. Honestly, I'm not okay to lose the money or whatsoever. I am. It's risk now. You take the risk and you watch what happens. I really am, but come on now. You're not having peace. What I do in such cases, I just best leave the setup. And funny enough, I was in Jordan in this account. So that's 106. I was in Jordan in this account. I think it was about 4,920 something. So came out of Jordan, up like 1%. So this go trade. So that's how I made $106 on my gold trade.